So I'm on Adobe Illustrator, my version. I happen to have CS4. It may look different if you happen to have CS5, CS6, or have a subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud. That is fine for this course. I'm going to start a new document. So in order to do this, I'm going to create a new print document. This is as if I'm going to print this out at either a local printer or if I'm going to print it myself. I will click on Print Document, and this window pops up. I can now customize the title of my document, which I'm going to title CAS Assignment 1. I'm going to create this for print. Make sure that your new document profile says print. I want one artboard. If you happen to do some research, you'll see that the artboard is our canvas within any of the Adobe software products. I want to make sure that the size of my document is letter. Letter is the standard 8.5 inches by 11 inches. But you might notice that my measurements say width and height and are recognized by PT, which represents points. I'm going to change this over here to the right where it says units, and I will change it from points to inches. And I finally have what I'm accustomed to, the 8.5 inches by 11 inches. You can also change your orientation. For this assignment, I'm going to make my document portrait, which is the one on the left, versus landscape, which is the little icon on the right. Bleed represents if you want your illustration or graphic design to go all the way to the edge of the paper. I am not concerned about that for this assignment. Bleed and printing typically cost more money, and that's something that we can cover later on in this course. Underneath my advanced, I have color mode, CMYK. This stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and K represents black. CMYK is standard in graphic design whenever you want to do print work. This is representative of the colors within the printers as far as the inks that you may buy for a printer. Raster effects, this is very important. I have it on high, 300 ppi. Yours might say 300 dpi. dpi represents dots per inch. 300 is standard for printing, and it means that your resolution is going to come out quite high. I want to make sure that my raster effects, or in your case, your resolution is 300 either ppi, pixels per inch, or 300 dpi, dots per inch. Medium is 150 ppi, and screen is represented by 72 dpi. But for our purposes, we want high resolution. Our preview mode I will leave as default. Once you are ready to start your new document, you will press OK. And you will see your artboard on the screen.